Welcome back to my vlog! It's been a long time since I've been doing vlogging. It's been more than a year already, so I'm kind of awkward in front of camera na nga. I have been busy working, so that's why you don't see me much often here on social media. I'm not active as much as before anymore because, yes, again, I'm working. Yes. It's kind of awkward, so yes, that's it. I just want to capture these moments of this one person that came here in the US, so I have to travel for like 4 to 5 hours for the first time. For the first time from Fresno to LA, 5 hours drive is my first time driving. So oh my god, I made it. I made it, guys. I made it. Just me, myself, and I driving all the way over here. And he's been here for more than a month already. He actually went to New York before this, and now he's back in LA. So right now, I'm just waiting for him. So guys, makikita natin siya mamaya kung sino siya. He's a traveler. Makikita niyo mga Instagram niya, puro laging nagta-travel, diba? Sana all. So guys, nandito ako sa lobby ngayon. Sobrang tagal niya. Lagpas na siya sa oras na sinasabi niya dadating siya, diba? Ang galing talaga. Tapos sasabihin niyang kalma. Anong oras na? 1:00 na. Tapos wala pa akong kain. So habang naghihintay tayo dito sa isang taong na to, tutur ko na lang kayo dito sa lobby kung saan ako nagsistay. Sobrang ganda niya. So na-appreciate ko lang. It's very artsy. Here we go! Ang tagal mo, Dre.
Sorry na. So, ayan, binisita ko po sa USC Cat. Kasi, kailangan niyo po ng friend eh.
Nating lang ito pa.
Opa, ganyan po.
Ang tagal mo, kakainis.
Sorry na po.
The Iron Room. Center of the attraction.
Center of the... So, this is the... Actually, guys, this is what you call the masterpiece of the in heaven. So this just cost $1 million, and as you can see, it's really ironing.
Ironing.
This is Asian. Yeah,
Asian times, Pop.
Yeah, it's 100 years old iron. Okay,
Tara na nga.
let's go.
So now we are, what are we doing right now?
We're about to go to the food. To the food. We're going to some places.
So now we have to speak in English because we are here in LA.
Yeah, that's right. Don't speak Tagalog because who speak Tagalog?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
We're trying to find some place to eat.
eat.
So we're gonna go to this Grand Central Market. Sina po natin yung Andre King.
Arigato gozaimashita. Kain tayo Japanese for today's
Cuisine. So yan guys. Let's eat. Sina, kumain ka na tayo.
Ano na para sa?
Yung unang subo ay para sa inyo.
Ang unang subo ay para sa inyo.
Masarap yung ano nila.
Init ah.
Init nga. So hello everyone, welcome back to our vlog. So ngayon, pupunta kami sa
The last
bookstore. So we're just gonna be walking because it's near in the hotel. So our menu for tonight, we are having suman gabi. So here's the thing. Ayan, nakaubos lahat guys. Ayan na. Welcome to our day 2. So we are currently here in Griffith Observatory with the Hollywood sign. Hindi niya nakikita.
Yeah, so, later mag-ahay kami.
Yan yung outfit niya.
Yeah. Tingnan yung outfit niya din.
New York.
New York. Mali siya na napuntahan.
Wala ko napuntahan. What do you think?
I think the city, you can see the city.
You can see the city. Malamang. 4 times already. So, that's the view. At dito nagtatapos ang aming Griffith Observatory.
Yeah,
mga 5 minutes lang guys.
Yes, we just wanna see it very quick because it's too cold.
Yeah.
And right now we're just wearing shorts.
Yeah, look.
And comfy outfits.
Comfy outfits because we're planning to go
hike.
We are planning to go hike, so that's what our next destination is for. And this is what the outfit is for.
Yes.
For hiking.
Yes.
So we are currently here at Lake Hollywood. Sign. Kasi na mas clear. Saan? Yan na si Andre. Ready na siya to go. Ha? Ay, nako. Mahirap. Dre, may pagkain. Yan o. That's the view. Ang layo naman ito. Ba na kami. We're gonna go over there. Sa nearest Mongol. Ang hirap-hirap. Galing kami doon. Pumunta pa kami dyan. Tapos bumalik kami. Kasi hindi niya bet yung lugar. Ay nako. Andre King. Nakakapagod. Pero, now we're gonna go hiking again. May nag-wedding pa dito. Don't you wanna get married and have kids? So be it.
I'm happy to be single.
Diyan na nagsisimula ang aming hiking. Oh my gosh! Yung shoes namin, feeling ko inappropriate. Naku, Dre. Hala? Hala, sa'yo. Sumabit pa yung bag ko doon. Kakapagod. Kaya yan yung view. Wala pa. Kailangan pa natin. We made it. Sabi niya, bamunos na daw. Sabi nila guys, may snake daw dito. What if I get... Dre, may snake daw! Snakes. Alam niyo ba yung jacket niya? Tingnan nyo guys, may tag pa yan. May tag pa yung jacket niya. Kasi parang niya isa uli after niya gamitin. Yan talaga yung gawain niya guys. Kaya alam niya na sa mga nagtingin sa Zara. Sa Zara kasi siya. Okay lang ba yung ganito?
Pigit kayo.
Pumikit ako.
Wait lang, salamin lang ako. Kala namin guys, hindi aaraw. Buti na lang umaraw.
So, buti na lang nag-short kami at nag-ano kasi nag-hiking kasi kami. So, ang galing ko kasing mag-hike. Naka 1 hour na nga kami.
Pagod na nga kami.
Diba guys? Diba? Aray.
Huwag mo iyan, oh.
Ganyan ka dapat, hindi na yung... Huwag na yun. Pang-tiktok. At sa bawat minuto. Finally, after 5 hours of taking pictures, videos, makakalabas na rin ako. Tagal kasi nito. Dre!
Ito na kaya sa'yo natin.
Ano ba yan?
Sorry
ah.
Manayaw tantanan, diri sa diskuhan. Dagan kayo og tao, mga tutang tanan. Mga tutang tanan, diri sa diskuhan. Kauban ng planaya, maghataw tantanan. Iat kuday, iat kuday. Sige lang. Iat kuday, iat kuday. Sige lang. Iat kuday.
Yan na guys, bababa na kami. May snake daw dyan. Dre, wag mo kong iwan, Dre! 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 So, bababa na talaga kami. Ah, ito yun. Dito yung banda eh.
Ha?
Ito yung banda, di ba?
Sige na, makita mo. Dito muna video.
We're almost at the end of our tunnel. Bilisan mo na. Para makababa na tayo ng kompleto. King Hollywood.
Yes, sir.
So, ayun na yung
What?
park ng Hollywood. Ganyan.
My friend will gonna
Nakakapagod
leave
na.
tomorrow. Yeah. So,
We're gonna go to our next destination.
no yet.
Napagod na ako.
Or not.
Guys. Okay, bye.
What? Ito. Ang ganda. Kitang tayo.
And the Beverly Hills. Change outfits.
I bought something from here. Just like...
Mayaman kasi siya. Tira mo guys. Kasi diba kanina naka-shorts lang siya. Ngayon. Ako, pareho lang.
Simple lang daw kasi si Kathleen.
Yeah, just simple living in LA.
Okay.
Why?
Eh,
There's so what?
crazy shit.
Crazy. We are here in Santa Monica. Ginaw na ginaw. Lamig. Nadali. Hi, Dre. Kainis. Si Andre, oh, hindi natapos. It's already night time. Hey, bye!
Bye.
Mag-iingat ka, Dre.
Ingat ka.
Yeah. Bye,
Love
Dre.
you. Thank you so much, Kat, for treating me and loving me.